Gold finally breached the resistance at 1755 1750 zone and now has in fact achieved 1746.6. At the same time, US 30 and US 100 are also trading with a slight drop. Now what to expect today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit, so do like, share, subscribe, and do comment and do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and then Dow Jones. Do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully. Now look at the hourly charts here. You can find out gold has given a breakout here, and this is the first breakout candle below 1750 levels. See, it consolidated here, and then this is the first breakout candle, and hence you can expect that we can see follow-up candles too, taking it till towards 1745. The first and strong resistance zone 1745 is definitely going to provide a very good support. Once it draws below 1745 till 1740, it has got major support. So be careful till 1740, and if it draws below 1740, you can in fact expect the next support at 1735 levels. So every $5 there is a good support. Be cautious in between 40 and 45. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is trying to look downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. It is trying to look downwards. RSI is also looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts here. Likewise, couple of red candles, retracement candle, and then first red candle. Probably we may see couple or more red candles which may try to take it till towards 1745, 1740, 42 zone. This is going to be a 40-45 is definitely going to be a very interesting and very important resistance zone. Below 1740 you can expect 1735, 30 and below levels also. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic trading oversold on the 2-hour charts. It can sustain couple of candles more, and then maybe later on we may see a bounce back. The directional move, the MACD is divergent and bearish here. The RSI is looking downwards, indicating little more bearishness. And look at the 3-hour charts. If you look at the 3-hour charts, count as this candle almost $5 of body and a couple of dollars more. And if you see here, 1752, 1751 to $5 of body, almost 1747 and couple of dollars more. So 1745 certainly is going to be a good support. And below that also, as I told you, between 40 and 45 it has got maximum resistance, and hence achieving those levels there is a possibility that it can show you a little bounce back. But be cautious. Only long entry is above 1760 levels. Till the time it trades below 1760, do not think of going long on gold here. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic trading oversold. It has just now entered. Maybe this candle definitely it may sustain. The MACD has crossed over. This is a sell crossover. This is the first red candle. It requires a strong bullish candle for it to reverse the trend. I don't think so this is going to happen. RSI is looking downwards here too. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. This size almost $8 of body. And if you count from 1751 levels, if you count $8 of body, it will try to make it till 1743 levels, which is definitely going to be a good support. And in fact, it can try to breach below, may attempt and achieve 1740 levels, which are going to be the next target. So till the time it trades below this zone, now see this, till the time it trades below 1755, at least should not think of going long. Only above 1755 you can buy, but then expect 1760 levels to provide it a maximum resistance. So those who are looking to buy only should think of going to buy or buy above only 1755. Look at the directional movement is divergent bearish. Stochastic entering into oversold zone. MACD is trying to cross over here on the 4-hour charts for a sell-off. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, retracement, higher highs, and now it is trying to drop. Also, one must look at higher highs means higher lows. Yes, there is a possibility for it to attempt and achieve 1740, 1738 level. And in fact, 1735, 30 cannot be denied. You should be cautious of the longs. Only above 1755, you can try to initiate a buy position, but then 1760 is a major resistance. Beyond 1760, just close your eyes, stay long. It is going to hit and form double top here at 1780 level. So be cautious and careful. Only buy position is above 1755. Remember this fact. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent and bearish. This is third red candle. Probably it may sustain the bearishness here. RSI looking downwards. Considering this, only buy position today is above 1755. Till the time it trades below 1755, you can stay short. One can expect 1745, 1740 as the next target, and then 1735. levels should be seen. So there is a potential for it to get a resistance at 1740-45. This is a maximum resistance zone, and then if it slides below, you can expect 1735-37 levels to get achieved. These are also going to provide a big support, and below that a good drop cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The last batch of this year is going to start the coming Monday, that is 28th of November. This is going to be the last batch of this year and the 17th batch. Be a part of it and learn the strategies and the art of trading profitably. Do not miss this opportunity. Do reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now, look at the hourly charts for Nasdaq 100. See, one potential here is, see, the bearishness is diminishing here. The candle size is definitely getting diminished. I'll wait for it. I'll wait for the next candle. Once it trades below 11,780, certainly you can expect more bearishness below 11,780. The direct target is still towards this zone, which is 11,740, 11,750 zone. This is going to be the first and maximum support zone, and then 11,700 till 11,700. US 100 has got maximum support, and there is a potential that if it trades below 11,780, first target should be at around 11,750, 740, and then towards 11,720, 700 are going to come as a very good support. See, it has seen a good fall so far, and remember, it is trying to trade bearish in this channel, the bottom of this channel somewhere here at 11,780, 750 zone, which is going to provide a maximum support to Nasdaq 100. Let's see if it sustains. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold here on the hourly charts, and you can confirm here with the bearishness. The bearishness is also diminishing. It is also oversold, indicating that there could be a potential bounce back. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is into oversold levels. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts here. See, one big red candle, couple of smaller candles, and then I will wait for the next candle. I'll wait for the next candle, how it goes. Probably it may try to bring it till towards 11,750, 11,700 levels. Now see the previous candle here, the size of the candle is almost 50 points, and hence if you count the next candle wherever from it starts, 11,800 levels, let's say if it starts from, you can expect it to drop till towards 11,750, 700 zone. And any movement beyond 11,880, that is the only level beyond which you can stay long. Beyond 11,880, you can stay long for 11,900, and then beyond that, it is going to fly for 950 and 12,000 levels. Directional movement has crossed over for a bearish move. Stochastic trading oversold here. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see the candle size here is increasing in body size. It means that potentially there is a potential for it to drop till towards 11,750, 740 levels, and the markets might open in between. So yes, Nasdaq 100 has certainly a potential for it to in fact achieve 700 levels. Also be careful. The MACD, the directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold here on the 3-hour charts. The MACD has just crossed over. It is divergent and bearish, and the RSI is also looking downwards, indicating that still there is little bearishness. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, see, once it breaks below 11,750, certainly, see, it is looking forward to give you increasing body size. Potentially this may also continue to increase, and 11,700 levels then potentially appears achievable. The directional movement is looking forward to a bearish cross. On the 4-hour charts, stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and the RSI is looking downwards too, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, flat here and trying to give you reversal. I will not recommend you to buy till towards 11,900, rather only beyond 11,900 you can buy. Then beyond 11,900 you can stay long, and you can expect 11,920, 950, 12,000 as the target, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Be careful, it can reverse any point of time. These are markets, and hence you need to take care of the positions. Only beyond 11,900 certainly it is going to fly high. Till now it appears that it has achieved the highs, now looking downwards, and this time this candle can be very strong, at least achieving 11,700. That is what is my expectation, and in fact it can drop below till towards 11,660 and 11,600 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic on the daily charts is overbought, and if you discount the near term candles, definitely it is looking forward to a drop here. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is looking forward to converge crossover for a sell. RSI looking downwards for the day. 11,900 is the only level beyond which you should buy. Till the time it trades below 11,900, potentially 11,780 is the first target, and below 11,780 you can expect 11,740 50 zone, and then 700, 720, 700 is going to be the maximum support, and below that you can expect 11,660, 600. Also take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss till 11,900. Every rise is an opportunity to sell. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones, and if you look at Dow Jones trading at 34,200. Now see, in the morning analysis I told you do not trade between 34,200 to 300. It is precisely traded in between these levels. Failed to breach past 200, failed to breach past 300. Now again trying to come back to these levels. Once it draws below 34,200, remember the next target is directly 34,150, and then below that you can expect 34,100, 050, 34,050 is a very good support. I will tell you why, and below that 34,000 should come into picture. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking forward to a drop from the cliff. The MACD is divergent bearish, stock RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts here. See, first of all, higher highs achieved, and see the highs there at 34,280 levels. So it is looking forward to achieve 34,170, 150 levels. 170 is certainly going to be a good support here. Once it draws below 34,150, you can expect little more drop for 34,100 and 34,100. Once it breaks, certainly more bearishness can be expected. So there is a potential for it to, you can go short only once it draws below 34,170 and buy only if you see it trading above 34,300 levels. Till the time it trades below 34,300, do not buy. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish and looking downwards. The RSI is looking downwards too. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you can find likewise higher highs are done and now looking downwards. If you make lower lows, you will find 34,150 as a very good support, 34,170 as a good support, 150, and below that 34,100 levels to be seen. Below that you can expect a very good drop which will bring it till towards 34,050, 34,100 levels. So sell at 34,170, buy at 34,300 levels, and remember below 34,170 also you will find a good support at 34,150. First support just 20 points, and then 34,100 the next 50 points. Then below that you can expect a very good drop. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent, this is bearish looking downwards. The RSI is also looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, likewise if you see higher highs are done, lower lows can be expected. 34,150 levels, 170 levels, very good support, and below that 34,100 should come into as a savior. The directional movement moderately bullish, the stochastic comfortable. The MACD has taken a crossover and this is a bearish cross. Only above 34,300 you should buy. RSI looking downwards indicating bearishness. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, it is certainly indicating a reversal. Only buy position is above 34,300. Beyond that it is going to show you bullishness. But look at this lower highs, lower lows. Once it draws below 34,170, then you can confirm that we are going to look forward to a little more drop. It can try to at par or make the similar candle what we had seen, dropping till towards 34,000, or maybe keeping it till 34,050 and bouncing back, closing at around 34,100. Very much possible. This is a sign of a reversal here for the markets. The direction movement divergent and bearish. The stochastic on the daily charts is definitely overbought and looking forward to a crossover for sell. The MACD has taken a crossover here and looking forward to a drop. The RSI is near to the highs. Considering this, only buy position today is above 34,300. Beyond that, more bullishness can be expected. Till the time it trades below 34,300, every rise is an opportunity to sell. And potentially below 34,170, definitely more bearishness can be expected, but good short entries below 34,150 where you can expect 34,100, 34,050, 34,000 levels should come into as a very good support. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.